Understanding SEER Ratings, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an important term in the world of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, HVAC, the SEER rating. Understanding this term is not only useful for expanding your English vocabulary but also essential for those interested in energy efficiency and technology. So, let's dive in. SEER stands for Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio. This rating measures the efficiency of air conditioners. The higher the SEER rating, the more energy efficient the air conditioner is. It's calculated by dividing the cooling output of the air conditioner over a typical cooling season by the energy it uses in watt-hours. Think of it like the miles per gallon, MPG, in a car. The higher the MPG, the more fuel efficient the car is. Understanding SEER ratings is crucial for several reasons. 1. Energy savings. Higher SEER ratings mean more energy efficiency, which translates to lower electricity bills. 2. Environmental impact. Energy-efficient AC units with high SEER ratings are better for the environment as they consume less energy. 3. Legislation and standards. In many countries, there are minimum SEER rating requirements for air conditioning units. Knowing these can help in making informed purchasing decisions. Range. SEER ratings typically range from 13 to 21. Comparison. When comparing two air conditioners, the one with the higher SEER rating is more energy efficient. Cost versus efficiency. While high SEER ratings are desirable, they can also mean a higher upfront cost for the unit. However, this cost can be offset by energy savings over time. Thank you for joining us in today's lesson about SEER ratings. We hope this explanation helps you better understand this important term and its relevance in the world of HVAC. Remember, a higher SEER rating signifies more energy efficiency, which is beneficial for both your wallet and the environment. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.